I'm Simon De Silva. We are in a very difficult time right now. People all over the world have lost their loved ones due to pandemic of coronavirus. Here in Goa, we are very fortunate and very lucky that we haven't had any death due to coronavirus. But many people have lost their loved ones due to some sickness or the other. Because of lockdown and the guidelines laid by the government, we couldn't give a goodbye to our loved ones. On behalf of all Goans, I, along with my friends, Philip on trumpet, Freddie on saxophone, Francis on snare, Sudin on bass drum, and myself on choke cymbal, would like to dedicate an instrumental to all those people who have lost their life all over the world. May their soul rest in peace. I take this opportunity to thank all my friends for accepting my idea and putting it into reality. I'm sure you too will like it and share it to all your contacts till it reaches the whole world. Let's bring some peace to all those who are in grief. Happy listening.